Hey guys, Game 662 here. So, I need to, so, I'm selling this one probably maybe today or not. I have to wash the filters first before I sell them, so, and I had to clean everything up. Cause basically the hose is like, look like dirty and it's alright. So, I had this for like probably 4 years now. I had this for 4 years. And this is a warranty. That warranty is like five. This is a 5-year warranty. This is like it's been 5 years warranty. And that one's like need replaced though. Don't worry. Yeah. Because I am the Bissell supporter, so I can stay with the Bissells. So I can go for Bissells. And the bin. Doesn't matter what the bin is. If I find any sharks in the trash, and then eventually I can clean it up and get it in the quart. Or if the quart's cut off, I'll put it in the quart and I might sell it. So yeah, this filter looks dirty, and this one looks dirty too, and that one looks dirty. So yeah, because I'm not going for sharks, I'm going for Bissells. Because I like Bissell a lot. Like they're like they came with the club stool. Oh yeah, so every time they came with the club stool with flimsy, like was like years ago, did not make these anymore. And probably the dusting brush. Dude, the dusting brush looks like swims up, and it does not make these anymore. Probably this one, it goes on carpet, it goes floors, back to carpets. So it came with this attachment right here, and goes in the forestry stuff. And they came with the turbo brush that goes to stairs and cars and more. So the base. Because the base I fixed, the brush feel sounds good, and it's sealed. It's like completely sealed up, and then it's pretty good to go. So now the shark is gonna go. So now the shark is gonna go. So now I had to clean it up first, probably like before I sell it. I might have to start cleaning it. I have to clean everything up. I have to clean some filters first in the dark up and sell it. Yeah. So I'm gonna post this on probably on Facebook Marketplace up and we'll go. So you're here to cheaps. Yeah. Yeah, I might sell it. If you go to you want to do a caddy. Put it right here. You can use for wheels. I need to oil it. I need to oil the caddy, so I need to oil it. Yep, I've been had this for 4 years. I'm gonna get this money back from them. I'm gonna get the money back, like real money back, and I might sell it. So I probably gonna go for I'm gonna probably go for like 80 or 90 bucks. Think about that. I'm gonna put this thing for 90 bucks, $90 or $80. So these parts don't really function good, and probably good to go. So I'm not gonna get other sharks. So I do find the shark in. Hopefully I can find a shark in the trash. I can take them and clean it up, sell it. So I'm not the shark person, so, but, you know, Dyson, because Dysons are better than the shark, but no joke. You know, the sharks are really not the best for me. The shark got idea from Bissell. Have 7 lift off and 2 lift away. And that's the point, though. I'm not selling my lift off. I'm gonna keep my lift off, and I'm not gonna keep my shark lift away. So, you see, I have to clean up the bins, and it's gonna start bye, and then I have to clean the caddy, and I have to clean everything up. I don't know. I can't clean the hose because I'm gonna have to ignore the hose. I have to ignore the hoses. You know. Every guy's just sell shark, and that's it. And then, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the notification buttons. And I want to shout out to Intellitech Studios, Brayden D, Greer, Vacuum Gaga, Kaden, Staniford, and Jorge Vega, flymmi, Stinson, and Vacmasterthegreat, Burgers. Yes, stay tuned to the video, and bye.